Welcome back everyone to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to pay for Netflix with Apple gift card. When you purchase an Apple gift card from the Apple Store, retailers, or online, this is your first step. Now on your iPhone, iPad, or Mac, open the App Store, then tap on your profile picture on the top right. Select Redeem Gift Card or Code, then enter the code or scan it. Then the balance will be added to your Apple ID account credit. Now, if you signed up for Netflix to App Store or iTunes Billing, your Apple ID balance will be used first before charging your payment method. As long as your Apple ID has enough credit, Netflix subscription fees will be deducted from your redeemed Apple gift card balance automatically. So, done, you've now set up Netflix payment with your Apple gift card balance. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this.